Standard 4th, Subject English. Lesson 1 at a time. Hello students, how are you?
Hello, teacher. We all are fine. Thank you.
Today we are going to read a small story about a girl and her grandmother. Priya liked sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. But Priya wanted more, many more. तुम्हाला गोळ्या चॉकलेट्स आवडतात ना? प्रियाला पण खूप आवडायच्या गोळ्या. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. She took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. But her hand was stuck in the jar. She could not take it out. She began to cry. Oh, what shall I do? Let go of the sweets, said her granny. प्रियाने बरणीत एकदम बचकाभर गोळ्या घेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. तर तिचा हातच बरणीत अडकून बसला. आजी म्हणाली, अगं हातातल्या गोळ्या सोडून दे, म्हणजे हात बाहेर काढता येईल. Priya let go of some sweets. Still, her hand would not come out. She let go of some more sweets. Now, there was only one in her hand. Her hand came out of the jar easily. शेवटी जेव्हा हातात एकच गोळी उरली तेव्हा तिला हात बाहेर काढता आला. She began to smile and looked at her granny. Granny smiled too. Priya said, Now I will take only one at a time. So students, how was the story?
Very nice.